Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we're going to be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Okay, I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips on the front of the car. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver door. Excellent, everything here looks fine. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. I'm not seeing any scratches on the quarter panel, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Back here looks perfect, not seeing any scratches at all. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything looks fine on this quarter panel, no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's move on to the passenger door. This door looks perfect. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender is in good condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the side. Okay, the driver's side looks perfect. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Excellent. Let's have a look at the rest of the interior, starting off with the center console. Perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Not seeing any wear and tear on the steering wheel at all, and the leather stitching looks perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. Perfect. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.